A battery-powered Pathlight that measures 16.93 inches tall and 4.13 inches in diameter and shines 80 lumens of brightness on pathways and other areas when motion is detected. Add this to any Ring Smart Lighting Starter Kit with Ring Bridge so you can get notifications, customize settings, and connect to other Ring devices, all from the Ring app. With the Echo, 4th Gen, Echo Show 10, 3rd Gen, or Ring Bridge, you can connect this light with other Ring smart lights, Ring doorbells or cameras, and select Alexa-enabled devices to create a fully connected home security system. Pathlight installs in minutes with a wire-free design to illuminate your pathway, entryway, or sidewalk. Bridge required. Top reviews from the United States. Great lights to light up pathways and landscaping. These are great, but my only reservation is how long the batteries will last. I have 5 of these set up along a high-traffic walkway I share with my next-door neighbor. I'm using Duracell batteries on one of them and Eneloop rechargeables with D battery adapters. After the first night, I took a look at the battery levels for each pathway light through the Ring app and found that the 3 pathway lights using the rechargeables are already half-life already, but the light with the Duracells are still full green. It's been about 2 weeks since then and all the battery levels remain the same.